Also here, criminal defense attorney, federal litigator Vikas Bajaj. Vic, great to have you on as always. I mean, it could have went sideways. I mean, we have no idea this thing could have gone sideways, but boy, it sure feels like the families wish they had a little bit of input.
You know, I don't think it could have gone sideways, and nobody has a crystal ball. We can't predict what a jury would do or a judge would decide. But in this case, there's also other pieces of evidence that were not pointed out on the previous segment there, which are the Amazon internet searches for that knife, for that sheath. After the sheath was left at the scene, he then went home and try to find another one to replace it, just in case someone found the knife, but not the sheath. There's a lot of damning evidence here, Trey, so it's not a question of, hey, things could go sideways. It's a question of finality and certainty, which means you do away with 30, 40 years, millions of dollars in appellate briefs and decisions to state the obvious. A bird in hand is much more valuable, and certainty surely showed its value today. I was not concerned. I was surprised, Vic, when you saw Brian Kohberger answering the questions like he was taking a census test or something. You know, he was literally emphatic yeses. Did you get yes? And you think you would be a little more emotion. When the sentencing comes, they say it could take more than a day. Why? The families get their say. Is that part of the reasoning? That's absolutely right. And as part of the Victims' Bill of Rights, which Idaho has, every state in the union pretty much has one, and the victim impact statements are very important. And that's going to be really when the families have a cathartic opportunity to say how these losses have affected them. So it will take that full day. There could also be evidence presented by the defense, although I highly, highly doubt they're going to do anything. They have finality, life sentences. They would only hurt themselves if they had their client do anything other than what he did today, which was be a good defendant, be a good client, just say yes or no. Let's make this simple. I got to go. Can the families call him out in court? Can the families show their emotion and call Brian Kohberger out in court? Absolutely. We've seen it in highly charged cases like this, and I can bet our bottom dollar that we'll see it in this case as well. Yeah, amazing. Vikas Bajaj, thank you. Appreciate your time.